Over here you have forward, reverse, and manual. Manual and then forward. This is forward, and then over here is reverse. Okay. Alright, so here you have manual, forward, reverse, and manual. You must make sure they correspond. This is the power, this is the emergency stop, and then here you switch to automatic. So the middle position is stop, and this side is automatic. Automatic stop manual. The middle is stop. And then it comes from here, so this point is the sensor. This sensor means that the closer it gets, the slower the speed. It adjusts based on how fast you pull the material. The faster you pull, the faster it goes. If I put my hand here now, and it's very fast. So, this is how the sensor carefully controls and regulates the speed. If you are standing very close, it means there is a large amount of material stored, so the system does not need to move very quickly. The higher you go, the faster it will correspondingly run to keep up. See? The higher your hand goes, the higher it is. If I take my hand away completely, it goes even faster. This is the sensor stop. This is the complete stop. This is what controls the speed through sensing. So this right here is the material rack. So